If you're looking for a simple and free way to make money online, you're in the right place. In today's video, I will be showing you 3 websites which will pay you just for watching ads. The first website is Welcome to Make Your Bucks, where we teach you legit ways on how to make money online, and that too for free. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any opportunity to make free money. Check out the awesome features of this website. I'll reveal its name later. The minimum payment that you can receive when watching an ad is 1 cent. You must be thinking, not a lot of money, right? Don't worry. These ads are only around 30 seconds long, and look at this. Click every day. This means that you can click to watch ads every day, and thus there's no limit to the number of ads you can watch, and also no limit to the amount of money you can make. That's so cool, right? Plus, look here. Download our mobile app from the Apple Store or Android Market. This means you'll be able to make money on this website irrespective of whether you have iOS or an Android device. Now, if you're worried how you will get paid, don't be. Look here. Payout and withdrawal methods. You can get paid via PayPal or a bank transfer. Now that you know how you will get your money, let me reveal the name of the website. The first website is StarClicks. If you scroll down a little right here, look at this. Publishers earn money online. This simply means that you will be getting paid to watch the ads on this website. You don't have to publish anything. And check this out right here. As promised, it's 100% free to join and start. So let me now guide you through the sign-up process so that you can finally start making money. To sign up, simply click on Sign Up right here. As mentioned earlier, you will need to sign up as a publisher to be able to make money watching ads. So make sure to select Publisher Sign Up. You will then be taken to this registration page right here. Now all you need to do is fill in your details. Make sure to fill in all of these, and then, after you're done, just click on Confirm. And then click on this register button right here, and a free account will be created for you. This is the dashboard of my account, and so far, this is what I've made. I just wanted to show you proof that with this website, indeed, you can make money by watching ads. Also, to watch an ad, you just have to click on the pay-per-clicks ad here, and then you will have access to the available ads for you to watch and make money. Website number 2 is Ysense.com. Here you will have a lot of options to make money online. As you can see, it says right here, Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options. If you scroll down a little, you can see right here that you can get paid for completing surveys, for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up to websites, and watching videos. For this video, we will focus on making money by watching videos. Let's look at the payment proof for this website before I walk you through the sign-up process. Right here, this is one of the payments that Ysense has made to one of its members. The payment was made via PayPal, and the user cashed out $10 in this particular payment proof. Now that you know that you can indeed make money with this website, let's go through the sign-up process. To sign up, simply enter your email address and a password right here, and then click on Join Now, and boom! A free account will be created for you. To make money by watching ads, you have to select AdSend, because in the other offers available, there are usually only surveys to complete. Time to look at the cash out methods now. There are so many payout methods to choose from. You can choose gift cards from famous brands, or you can choose to receive your payments via PayPal, as we saw earlier in the payment proof. Before we move to today's final website, take a moment to make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, so that you can get notified of all the free ways that you can make money online. This is website number 3. You will actually have to install the app to use it. On iOS, you will need to install the current app, and if you use Android, you will have to install the Mode app. Now right here it says earn points by playing your favorite music. This is because the primary way to earn money using this website is with music. But don't worry though, you will also be able to watch ads using this app and make money. And then, if you scroll to the bottom right here where it says Start Earning, if you click on this drop-down menu, you will see that there are so many countries available. This means that no matter where you're from, be it the US, Canada, India, Nigeria, or the Philippines, you can still make money with this website. All you need to do is install the app and start earning today. Until next time, take care.